Hello students, the homework this week is going to be a little bit odd because we're going to do a lot of it using Desmos, so I just wanted to go over how we can use this. So I'm going to split this really quickly so I can do two things at once, and I'm going to go to the website student.desmos.com. And now it says, welcome back, Jason, because I've used this before, but I'm going to go ahead and sign out. It says sign in with your account. We're just going to ignore this real quick. It says you don't need to sign in, but we will use our names. The code for today is 76P9DZ. Okay, now it's asking me to sign into my account, and I'm going to just say I don't want to sign in, but I'm going to enter in my name, and I'm going to say my name is Mr. Pasimio. You type in your first and last name so I know who to give points to, and we'll keep going. Okay, so right here it says number 5, and it says plot your points below, use regression, and then enter the equation. So I'm going to go ahead and do number 5. I'm going to pull up my textbook right here. I'm going to move it off to the side, and it said that we were going to start on number 5. So I'm going to zoom in here just so I can see number 5 better. Okay, so for number 5, it says plot your points. So the first thing that I see is that I've got this point here at -2, +1. And then I've got this one at -1, +4. And then another one at -3, +4. Okay, now these ones here, I'm not exactly sure, they're not on the grid, but that's okay because as long as I have 3 good points, I can figure this out. Now, I think this one looks like a quadratic, so I'm going to use the quadratic formula. Y equals ax squared plus bx plus c, and then I remember how regression works, not equals, but approximately. And then I'm going to do y1, ax1, bx1, and then there's my parabola right there. I'm going to go down here and it says enter the equation, and I'm going to say the equation is y equals 3x squared plus 12x plus 13. You see it lands right on top, and I'm getting the a, b, and c numbers from here. Okay, so that's number 5. When I'm ready to go on to number 6, the next button is right up here in the corner. And it's the same steps. Okay, so x1 is, I'm gonna go -1, and this one goes 4, 8, 12, so this must be 16. -1, 16. And then right here, I've got this point 0, 8. And then the next one is 1, 4, and then I've got another one at 2, 1. And again, right here, I'm assuming this is at a half, but if you're not sure, that's okay. I've got at least 3 points. I can get a good equation out of this. So I'm guessing this is an exponential equation because it does look like it's going to flatten out right here. So formula for an exponential equation is y equals a times b to the x power. And again, not equals, approximately y1, and change that to x1. And there it is. Did I mess up here? Huh. Oh, I did mess up. I did. So right here, this is 2, and that's not a 1 because the y-axis goes up by 2. So that would be 2, 2. And then the nice thing here is that I can just erase that, and it'll automatically adjust it for me. Okay, so now I see right here that A is 8 and B is 0.5, so my equation would be y equals 8 times 0.5 to the x power. And I see that my red line right there is covering up the next one. So that's numbers 5 and 6 that I've done for you. Each of these problems is the same questions, but you're going to use different data sources for each of them. So eventually we'll get to ordered pairs, and then we'll get into tables, and then into real world situations, but the questions are going to be the same on each one. So just do your work here. The nice thing about this is you do not need to submit. As soon as you've done it, I will be able to see it from my teacher dashboard. So when you're all finished, just go into Google Classroom and click submit to let me know that you're done, and you'll be done with homework for the week. Please feel free to email me if you have any questions.